Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily add social media icons to Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Elementor and in search widget write social icons, and you can see it right here. So take it and paste it, and now we see here the icons. So we can go to add item and choose different one, like I don't know, YouTube. Oh, we already have YouTube. Okay, so we'll choose like Spotify here, and then we can also change to Pinterest. Nice. What you can do also, like you can add custom colors if you would like to and have it all black. That's also really up to you, or have the official one. Then you can like easily delete those and just link it to your Facebook account, Twitter to Twitter account. That's pretty logical and simple, right? And YouTube. Then you can change also the alignment where you want to have it, and change the shape, the circle or rounded. When you go to style, like you can see, you can change the size of it if you want to, the padding, and also the spacing. That's good. And have the border here if you want to have it, but you actually don't need to. And icon hover, you can have like, when I'm going to hover it, if it's going to shrink or if it's going to grow. You can really choose which one you actually like. That's pretty cool. And then you're gonna select also advanced here, some motion effects if you want to, but this is pretty much it. And it's really good, like if you would create, let's say, a footer. Let's go with the style, classic, background black. Let's go with a 150. You can just take navigation, go with a social icons, okay, have it in middle. It's really up to you. I could also change the custom color to white, something else. Black would be bad here. Oh, wait a second. Clear. Yeah, you can really play around it as much as you want. Now, I could also add like map here and have really good footer. Add spacer here. And I could also add new column here to add and really play around it. It's like really simple. And I would add a contact form or address or some text here, and then it will be like all good. And then I would add like contact form on the left side, and the social media icons would be great here. So this is how we can add social media icons. Thank you very much. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.